There's one major difference between a viral talk that gets 4,000 views and a talk that gets 4 million views.
And it's not what you think.
Here's what everyone misses. For a speaker booker with a $10,000 budget to pay you to speak,
they need to see you speak.
Simple, obvious. And somehow the entire speaking world skips right past it. Chasing podcasts, building followings, pitching gigs that never pay, waiting on a book deal that never comes. Meanwhile, this is Kevin, 19 years old, high school dropout, a depressed comic, living in his mom's basement. We helped him land one talk that got 5 million plus views and led to 300 plus paid gigs and 1 million plus in speaking fees plus a 6-figure book deal with Penguin Random House. Trisha, a woman who'd quietly struggled with emotional eating for years. One talk and 2.5 million people suffering in silence finally heard someone say it out loud. Eli, a recovery story most people would never tell out loud. One talk, 6 million people heard his message. Christina Helena, a woman who decided to call her scar sexy. One talk, 10 million views. 4 completely different people, 4 completely different messages, one thing in common.
And it's not talent, it's not luck, it's not even practice.
It's their USM, their unique speaking mechanism. It's the thing that makes sense for you to talk about. It's the thing you think you're going to speak about. But there's something deeper underneath it that
most speakers never access.
This is the thing that booked our team over 100 paid speaking gigs all over the world. Our clients have spoken on 5 continents because of this one thing, and most people completely
miss it.
Your USM is the thing you would die for, the thing that makes you, the thing that your childhood, your relationship with your parents, your adolescence, your entire life culminates into. That will make you 10 times more powerful on stage than you could ever perceive yourself to be. And we want to show you how to tap into yours. We're also going to show you how to title a talk in alignment with that USM, how to write a talk that embodies it, and how to pick the right stage so your USM reaches millions. And if you think we're speaking in hyperbole, our clients' talks have been viewed over 100 million times because we are the best in the world at helping people tap into their unique speaking mechanism. We want to do it with you on a free training hosted by our founder, Taylor Conroy. Bring a pen, bring paper. On this training, we're going to position you as a speaker who can command $10,000 per gig. We'll title your talk, walk you through the most important parts of writing it, and show you how to find aligned events. And as a bonus, we'll give you 25 speaking events looking for speakers like you right now. It's time to break you out of the crowd, stop you from being the best kept secret in the speaking world, and finally get that message out of your head, out of your heart, and into the world where it belongs so it can reach millions of people. Click on the link along this video and we'll see you on the inside.